The next one we generally come in the project is we have to maximize, minimize or full screen the window. So maximize method I have shown how you can do the maximize. Even though sometimes in the project there will be requirement that we have to minimize the browser as well, so we can do the minimize also. And if we want to the full screen, okay, so we can do the full screen as well. So only the method name will change. Here we were using the maximize, now we have to use the minimize. Save and now run it. What it will do, it will click on the minus sign, I mean that minimize sign, but it is already actually minimized. So let's see it has been done minimized, we are not able to see on the screen. So it will do the minimize for us. And if we use the full screen, dot full screen, just control save and run it. You can see it is the full screen, like we do at the time of a presentations and all. So it is using the full screens now.
Yeah, Rahul, can you please add maximize one? Just wanted to see the difference between maximum and full screen. How the UI looks like.
Yeah,
Add.
in maximum, you will be able to see the below that windows icons as well.
Okay.
Just save it and then run it. Okay, so still it is maximized like this, not the full screen.
Yes, got it.
Okay, so this is about maximize, minimize, but mostly we use the maximize methods only, not the full screen. Full screen only I think sometimes, even though we use when we are doing some demo or presentations, maybe we can use, but while running or automating test case we use the maximize only. But I have told all the methods so that you should know what are different methods are there for our browser windows. So these three are methods are there for us.